Let me show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Tab A, so the A7, A8, A9, 11 and also the Plus models actually aren't charging properly. So maybe if you actually insert your charger inside in them, maybe it doesn't charge at all, or maybe the charge speed is extremely slow, so it almost never charges. Or also maybe if you actually insert your cable, it actually never goes completely inside, and again it simply doesn't make good contact. Or maybe if you simply touch your tablet, the charging stops basically. So the most common issue, basically why is this happening is because you simply have something stuck inside the charger port for these tablets. And we can simply easily clean them out. So first, maybe you can easily take out the flashlight and see what's actually happening inside. If you can see maybe some large piece of lint inside. And then to clean out the charger port, it's actually fairly simple. And the best tool for this job would be probably the tiniest sewing needle that you can find. So again, this is what I'm using. So again, the tiniest you can find. And also I suggest you maybe get one of these like blowers that can force in a lot of air as well in the tablet. Also, before we start it, also make sure to turn off your tablet. Okay, so make sure power it off. And also let's also quickly look at the inside of the Type-C port, what it actually looks like. So if I take basically my pen over here, so this is essentially where we plugged in. Inside the port we also have this tiny strip here, the connector strip, which also has a bunch of small pins essentially. So how we are going to clean it? So we are going to take our needle essentially, and while sticking basically on these outer edges, so on the bottom and on the top, we are going to simply place our needle inside and simply drag it along and scoop out anything that comes out. Again, on the bottom and on the top. Again, we actually do not want to go near the middle strip, as we obviously do not want to bend any of the pins or damage them. Also, I suggest you not to go in these corners around here. So do not go around, only this side and this side basically. So okay, let me show you actually how it looks like on the tablet. So I would take my needle here, insert it all the way inside basically this port. So again, I'm not actually touching the middle strip, and again I'm simply going along the edge and scooping out anything that comes out, so on the bottom and also on the top. So literally just scoop everything out. Oh, also obviously while you do this, also make sure to hold your tablet like this so all the junk can actually fall out. So I'm just showing for demonstration over here. So, and also after you finish with the needles the first time, also take this kind of blower if you can get one. So again, these literally cost maybe $1 or $2, so you can get them pretty much anywhere. So again, while holding your tablet like this, again take your blower and literally blow inside several times. So again, make sure it actually is going inside, and then again repeat with the needle essentially. So maybe again 2 or 3 times, again follow up with a blower. Also after you're done, also I suggest you maybe take a toothbrush as well, and the toothbrush also can actually help us dislodge any small particles that are inside basically in this charger port. Again, obviously hold your tablet like this while you're doing this, and again I suggest you actually follow up with a blower as well to simply blow out all the junk. So again, we are forcing in a lot of air, and anything that is dislodged using the needle or the toothbrush obviously will get blown out basically with this blower. Also make sure to inspect the condition of your cable as well that you use to charge your tablet. You can maybe even look inside, as they also have connector strips inside, and see if everything is okay. Maybe again there's something stuck inside, maybe in this cable. Also, as you use these cables a lot, basically you bend them, they inside have tons of different metal strands that make up the cable, and with time obviously some might break, and also that might affect the performance of it as well. Also, for example, if you get a cable like this, so these are actually quite popular these days, they can also show up basically the charging voltage basically, so the power draw essentially. So you see, for example, if I insert in my power bank, so you can literally, so I paid for this one literally $2 from AliExpress. So if I plugged in basically, so you see my charger, so I can actually see on my power bank this as well. but on this cable, so you see it displays the power draw basically, so how fast the tablet is charging. So again, you can also like get a cable like this and simply plug it in and see if it's actually drawing enough power and if it's even like charging basically your device. So by default, so these A series tablets should charge at maybe like 10 watts. I think they're rated up to like 15 watts, these ones, but in reality they charge up to maybe like 10 watts. You'll see basically here. Again, this can also help you identify if, yeah, what might actually be wrong if that doesn't help. Anyway, good luck.